got a broken Sodastream button trigger thing here. So let's pull this out and see what we're dealing with. All right, as you can see right here, here's the back of the button. This broke right here. Let me pull this out so we can get a better look. All right, so the back of this has a pin that runs through it, and that is what actually acts as a fulcrum, and then this pushes to release the CO2. So you can see this is what it's supposed to look like. There's a thin piece of plastic there, and it's snapped off on this side. So I found some potential solutions. There's videos on YouTube of people who have fixed this with like some, you know, string or wire or something, a pretty jerry-rigged solution. But I found somebody on Etsy who actually 3D prints these things, and I'll put a link down below to where I got it. So it just came in the mail, so I'm gonna pop this open and get it installed. All right, here it is, homemade on a 3D printer, pretty cool. Whoever made this was clear to point out that it's beefed up back here where it tends to break. So if we look at this, compare it to the old one, you can see how much thicker the plastic is back here. It also comes with 2 plastic pins that will go right here to act as the fulcrum on there. All right, be careful not to lose this little spring right here. I'm gonna set that aside. You can't really push it out with your fingers, so I have a pair of channel lock pliers here to move it out. There we go. So as you can see, the old pin is shorter than the new 3D printed pin, so you can't reuse this old pin. You have to use this one. So I'm gonna put the spring back on, get this guy installed. So now we just have to line up this pin on the fulcrum. There we go. Okay, now I think I'm in there, and I think we're good. Let's give it a little test here. Yep, seems to be working. Oh, by the way, I have another video of how I turn my Sodastream into a, to use a 5-pound CO2 tank instead of those little tiny tanks that you get that always run out. So I'll put a link to that video here if you want to convert yours to a bigger tank. Alright, got our water bottle in, let's give it a whirl. Works like a charm.